పోలీసులు హైదరాబాద్ను శాంతి భద్రతలకు చిరునామాగా మార్చారని హెచ్ఐసిసిలో జరుగుతున్న సొసైటీ ఫర్ సైబరాబాద్ సెక్యూరిటీ కౌన్సిల్ ఎస్సీఎస్సీ 15వ వార్షికోత్సవంలో పాల్గొన్న అతిథులు కొనియాడారు. నేరాల కట్టడి నియంత్రణలో తెలంగాణ పోలీసులు దేశానికే మార్గనిర్దేశకులుగా నిలుస్తున్నారని అభినందించారు. ఎస్సీఎస్సీ 15వ వార్షికోత్సవం డీజీపీ మహేందర్ రెడ్డి, హైదరాబాద్ రాచకొండ సిపిలు, ఐటీ శాఖ కార్యదర్శి జయేష్ రంజన్, భారత్ బయోటెక్ జేఎండీ సుచిత్ర ఇల్లా సహా ఐటీ కంపెనీల ప్రతినిధులు, ఉద్యోగులు పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ నెల 13న కోవాక్సిన్ ను జీనోమ్ వ్యాలీ నుంచి శంషాబాద్ ఎయిర్పోర్టుకు తీసుకెళ్తున్నప్పుడు పోలీసులు చేపట్టి బందోబస్తు తీసుకున్న జాగ్రత్తలు రోమాలు నిక్కపొడుచుకునేలా చేశాయని భారత్ బయోటెక్ జేఎండీ సుచిత్ర ఇల్లా వ్యాఖ్యానించారు. మహిళలకు హైదరాబాద్ అత్యంత రక్షణాత్మకమైన నగరంగా మారిందన్నారు. కోవిడ్ సమయంలో పోలీసులు ఇచ్చిన మద్దతుతో లక్షలాది మంది ఐటీ ఉద్యోగులు ఇంటి నుంచే పనిచేయగలిగారని ప్రముఖ పారిశ్రామికవేత్త బీవీఆర్ మోహన్ రెడ్డి వ్యాఖ్యానించారు. సాంకేతికత వాడకంలో తెలంగాణ పోలీసులు ప్రపంచంలోనే ముందున్నారని డీజీపీ మహేందర్ రెడ్డి తెలిపారు.
During the lockdown, there were as many as 6.5 million IT workers who worked from home. That was facilitated largely because of the support we got from Telangana police. They moved the hardware swiftly, and for all the extraordinary work that they have done, may I, ladies and gentlemen, request all of you join your hands to thank them. Thank you very much.
I would not be standing here alone by taking the credit of shipping Covaxin on 13th January, but for the support of the Telangana Police Department who was there with us. I have goosebumps, not only today, but also on that morning. It was the early hours of 13th January. It was the day of Bogi. The first vans, the coal trucks of carrying Covaxin had to be transported to the air cargo at the airport in Samshabad. And I was really, I had tears swell up in my eyes because I was watching this virtually from home. But my colleagues, close to 100 of them, were at the plant at Shamirpet at Genome Valley. And I had the Telangana police escort the coal trucks of Covaxin going all the way to the airport. And that was a fabulous moment for just not for me, but for the entire team at Bharat.
We have more than 6.5 lakh CCTV cameras in the capital region of Hyderabad city, covering all the 3 police commissionerates. We have more than 7.5 lakh cameras all over the state. And every day, hundreds and hundreds of cameras are being added to this network. And it's a matter of proud privilege that it is done in partnership with local communities, in partnership with the industry, in partnership with various stakeholders. It's a journey which is again going in a way that it is not there anywhere in the country. And the recent surveys by various international organizations indicate that we have one of the largest networks of CCTV cameras anywhere in the world. You know, when we wanted to implement technologies in Telangana Police, the government of Telangana, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, sent a delegation. You know, the then DGP Telangana, Mr. Anurag Sharma, then various other police officers. We all visited the London Metropolitan Police, the New York City Police, the Washington DC Police, and we personally studied, all of us together, what are the technologies being implemented there. And then we came back, and then we started rolling out various technologies. And today I can proudly say that we are on par, or in some cases, we are much better than most other police organizations in the world as far as the use of technology is concerned. Today, we have completely transformed our IT initiatives by transforming all the desktop-based applications into mobile technologies, and we brought into one single platform known as the TS Corp, where all the applications, all the service delivery activities, they are brought into one single platform, one single sign-on, At the click of a button, the entire 80,000 police force of Telangana, they get into the application and then they get the services they are entitled for, and then they are able to improve the quality of service at the cutting edge level. This has been possible because of the inspiration given by the industry here.
Initiatives taken on road safety and women safety have been stabilized. The next challenge is the cyber security. As our keynote speaker was telling, we are already in that path. Our DGP sir, also Mahendra Reddy sir, has been frequently telling about to take care of the cyber security issues. So, Cyberabad Security Council, with the help of the IT industry, we are planning to set up a center of excellence on cyber security in our Cyberabad Commissionerate area shortly. Already planning has been started. That will be one of our goal for the coming days.
Virtusa team is here. The second winner is Birlasoft Limited. Birlasoft Limited.